All right, so you want to know how to make a delicious Mexican taco? Well, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the filling. Whether you prefer beef, chicken, pork, or even veggies, the key is to season it well. I'm talking about a blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Trust me, this will take your taco to the next level. Next up, let's talk about the tortillas. Corn or flour, it's totally up to you. If you're going for corn, make sure to warm them up on a skillet for that authentic taste. And if you're team flour, a quick toast will do the trick. Now, let's assemble our taco. Start with a generous scoop of your flavorful filling, then add your favorite toppings. I'm talking about fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, tangy sour cream, and a sprinkle of cheese. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't overstuff your taco. You want to be able to pick it up without everything falling out. And finally, the best part, the garnish. A squeeze of lime, a sprinkle of cilantro, and maybe some sliced jalapenos if you're feeling spicy. And there you have it, a mouth-watering Mexican taco ready to be devoured. But wait, we can't forget about the salsa on the side. Whether you like it mild, medium, or hot, a good salsa can really elevate your taco experience. So whip up a quick batch with tomatoes, onions, cilantro, jalapenos, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Blend it up, and you've got the perfect accompaniment to your taco fiesta. So there you have it, folks. Making a Mexican taco is all about bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and a whole lot of love. So next time you're craving a taste of Mexico, whip up your own delicious taco creation and savor every bite. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.